The Jamaica Defence Force has been plunged into mourning after one of its members was killed in a daring gun attack Tuesday evening off Waltham Park Road in St. Andrew. The JCF leadership says emergency operations are now ongoing to find the suspects, which include a woman. A policeman who was also on the scene of the attack narrowly escaped. Dwayne Anderson reports.
In front of this church is where 24-year-old JDF Private Daniel Crawford took his last breath. A taxi was parked over the spot on Wednesday as though it was trying to hide the signs of the daring attack. It is reported that the soldier and a policeman were off duty when they drove to the area minutes before 9 p.m. on Tuesday. The soldier left the vehicle to visit a female friend, but the policeman became suspicious when the soldier did not return and then took steps to locate him. While doing so, he was attacked by a gunman who pointed a weapon at him. The policeman says he defended himself and fired 4 rounds on the gunman. The policeman explained he then fled the scene, but while doing so, he was shot at by several other men in the community. He, however, managed to escape without injury. He was later assisted by other officers who returned with him to the scene. During a search, the JDF private was found dead along the roadway. The daring attack has left members of the security forces troubled.
The killing of a member of the security forces must be met with a very strong response as we seek to honor his memory with unity and determination.
The police say emergency operations are ongoing in relation to the deadly attack. So far, 2 suspects have been listed.
I want to ask Kim and a male known as Diddy, who have been deemed persons of interest in this particular incident, to report to the Hunts Bay CID within 24 hours. Both Kim and Diddy are known to be persons from within the Boynes Road, Kid Lane area.
A tense calm rested over the Stephen Lane community in St. Andrew on Wednesday. With the exception of a handful of people hurriedly going home, there was very little movement in the area. Nearby from the main road, police officers also kept a watch on the community. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.